Hi everybody, it's Becky. Today's painting of a solderless breadboard is the 8th in my watercolor series all about beloved tools. I sketch these up in a mixed media notebook where I draw out my ideas and I make a good deal of the whole project's mistakes. Then I trace my art onto a piece of 100% cotton watercolor paper using a light box. In case you're interested in any of the tools and supplies I use, you can find links to everything in the description below. Once I made myself a grid to work in, I enjoyed the meditative process of drawing out all these tiny boxes on the face of the breadboard. When I'm done painting, I scan it in, touch it up, and upload it to my print shop. You can even get a poster featuring all the tools in the series so far. This one was a special request by Donald Bell from Maker Project Lab. Check out what else I've painted in the series playlist I'll link above and below. And let me know what I should paint next in the comments. I hope you'll all sign up for my email newsletter where you can stay up to date on all my news. And if you're interested in supporting my work further and can do so without hardship, Patreon is the best place. But even just sharing this video or series with someone you think will enjoy it goes a long way. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to be notified of my future uploads. See you next time.